Yo, it's Mo. I'm going to show you a pattern here that is going to keep a lot of money in your pocket and make you be able to profit all the way to the top of this pattern and understand exactly when to get out. And this is called the ugly face pattern. So when I think of ugly face patterns, I basically draw, what I'm going to be drawing is a face that looks kind of like that. And you can draw whatever you want, your nose in there and your ears, and that's that. But where can we see that on a chart? You can actually see this developing when you're looking at a chart. A lot of people are going to look at this and say, well, you're playing Monday morning quarterback, you can see it. Well, you can easily see this while it's developing. This is Costco right here. One of my favorite stocks to use as an example because it has so much going on in it. This right here is my ugly face pattern. Here's my two highs and my little face. And after an ugly face, typically what happens, so what you're going to have is price moves up, it comes down, it rebounds again to the same peak, the same previous high, and then it falls big time. And that's always what you see when it comes to ugly face patterns. So right here, you could have seen, we can get rid of all of this. You don't even need to look at this right now. You know that you had your stock price moving up. You had a peak right here. You wouldn't know it at this point, but we're going to draw the eye. Let me draw a green eye. And then you had a fall in price. Here's your little mouth going on. Then I'm saying to myself at this point, if I see an increase in price and it cannot get through this same level, what is that going to be? It's going to be developing an ugly face, the second part of the eye. As soon as that happens, and you notice here, this candle right here, this red candle, you notice that it has a little bit of a wick on top. It peaked and it couldn't go any further. The following day, you had a big fall. That's when I knew the ugly face was starting. So this is what you can see. Well, let's go to another chart. Waste Management had a big ugly face, and actually the ugly face is developing right now. So if you're in this or you want to see how this is going to play out, this could be your before you're playing Monday morning quarterback. What I'm looking at here is, here was your peak, that little peak right there. Here is your other peak that was basically at the same level, okay? So let's redraw it. Here's that face. You had the fall, the recovery to the same peak, and now you're going to experience the fall that's going to come back down probably to this 140, 141 number. So these are ugly face patterns. They can save you. You can tell, I can tell right here, this is going to be an ugly face because I have what is developing into the perfect ugly face right now. This is the peak. It's not going to get any higher than that, and it's going to fall right down. This is going to keep so much money in your pocket. The more you understand, the less you are going to fear. I'll catch you on the flippity flop.